Hey YouTube, today I have a mini multi-tool, the Leatherman Style PS. Alright, let's do a quick overview of the functions. We have mini pliers that are spring loaded and mini wire cutters as well. And we've got scissors that are also spring loaded. And here is a nail file, and at the end of the file there's a flathead screwdriver. They say it also works on some Phillips. In the handle scale are some tweezers. Right, those are tweezers just like on little Victorinox knives. You got tweezers in the handle scale. And last is the bottle opener. Yes, the carabiner, you see it's a swing gate carabiner, but that is also a bottle opener there. Pretty nice. And those are all the tools on this little sucker, but you know, the mini pliers and the mini scissors are very, very useful. Those are what this tool is all about. It was originally envisioned as a little mini tool that you could take for air travel because it does not have a blade, right? But that's not why I like this design. I like this design because myself and almost all my viewers being into cutlery, almost everyone out there is carrying their own everyday carry dedicated folding knife. So if you do carry a mini tool on your keychain, it does make sense to have one that doesn't have a little blade, because you don't really need the little small paring knife type blade that they could fit in here if you carry, you know, your own dedicated EDC folding knife anyway. So by leaving off that blade, it lets them make it a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter, a little bit less expensive, and a little bit less complicated. So I like that. Now, one of its biggest competitors is another Leatherman, the Leatherman Squirt. Now, this is a new one that I got for Christmas because the price was, it dipped, you know, it went on sale, so I picked up another one. But I've been carrying a Squirt for years, right? And as you can see, the size difference, and the Squirt is definitely more compact, especially important if you're trying to fit this into some sort of container or Altoids tin, something like that. However, I've attached a quick release swing gate carabiner to this just to show that most of the extra length, right, on the Style is simply because of the built-in carabiner. And if you wanted to attach something that was just as convenient, it would add, you know, it can fold like that, but it still would add some bulk to the Squirt. But because of that length difference, I have to say the Squirt is the winner if you're looking for a mini kit item to fit in a kit. But if you're looking for a keychain item, I think this is a serious contender because this is just very convenient to be able to just take it right off your keychain easily and put it back on easily. And even though this is longer, this is actually noticeably thinner than the Squirt. Okay, in more size comparison, these four tools, even though they may be small, they are titans. They are monsters, at least of the keychain EDC world, because these are some of the best keychain tools. You got the Squirt, the Style PS, the Dime, and the Midnight Mini Champ from Victorinox. Now, these all have pliers and scissors except the Victorinox, but the Victorinox has a light integrated into the handle scale and a pen, which these others do not have, so it can still hang. But yeah, I actually recommend all of these, maybe not for the same exact purposes, but they all have their place. So a size comparison between the titans of keychain EDC. And it is really interesting how these things evolve. I thought it was a brilliant move for them to put the cap lifter integrated on the end there, so you don't have to fold anything out when you want to open your beer. It's right there. Well, they've gone one better here. It's right here, and they've made it into a carabiner as well. Innovative. Okay, and some more great blades. You know, I don't envision this Leatherman Style as a standalone tool. In other words, that's not all you're going to carry, or at least not all that I would. I think where it really shines is being paired up with the smaller, more pocketable Swiss Army knives. The idea would be that you would carry the style on your keychain and then one of these type of knives in the pocket, and that would be more convenient than carrying one single really large Swiss Army knife or large multi-tool. Because all of these Swiss Army knives are great, right? This is the Alox Cadet. Freaking beautiful. Look how thin. I mean, this will disappear in your pocket. All of these Swiss Army knives are great, but they don't have pliers or scissors. So it's a perfect matchup. This is my Victorinox Spartan. It's a lot of great stuff, and when you add the pliers and scissors from that, it's just a dynamic duo. All right, this was a Wenger black wash model. You can check out my review of that. And this is a current production by Victorinox of an older Wenger design. This is the S111 from Victorinox. But yeah, paired up with any of these knives or with the Tinker or the small Tinker, I think that is where the style would really shine. This on your keychain, one of those in your pocket. Okay, one last look at the style with all the implements unfolded. The scissors, the screwdriver nail file, the tweezers. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at this Leatherman Style PS and my thoughts on it. I didn't even really know this existed. I had seen the style, but I wasn't up on all the different variations. They have a lot of different ones, but this is the one with that magic combination, the scissors, and the mini pliers. I think this would be a great keychain tool. Alright, this has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.